What's up, YouTube? Today is a very special day because today is the day that I have decided to finally start up this YouTube channel. I've been thinking about doing this for so long, and I finally decided to put aside my insecurities and just showcase what I have to offer. So, this is an automotive YouTube channel, and I'm sitting here in my 2006 Mustang GT, and today we're going to be doing a very special mod. But first, we got to get some POV shots because I live in Oregon, and Oregon is beautiful. I'll see you guys later. Oh, we got a tunnel coming up. That beautiful Oregon March weather, bro. Alright, so the mod we're doing today is we're going to take this ski pole of an antenna off the car, and we're going to put a sleek new antenna on there. Yeah. If you drive like an early to mid 2000s car, a lot of times they come equipped with these super long antennas, so we're going to be taking this.
Stroke it a little bit.
Alright, we're going to be taking this off, so if it's on there tight, you can use a wrench, but mine was already pretty loose, so yeah, it should just unscrew. So then you can go online, you can buy a new antenna for your car for about 10 to 20 bucks maybe 30 at the most, but I got this for about $14.99, and yeah, it should look pretty good. There she is. As you can see, it's a much sleeker antenna. It's got a little ball on the top. It's pretty sweet.
Ball.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Looks just like this one, except it's way shorter and it won't obstruct your vision. It can cause safety hazards. Yeah, you just want to screw that bad boy in there. Nice and tight. Yeah. Make sure you follow Aiden on Instagram too, by the way. Here, you can keep this. You can whip your dad.
Racist.
Dude, I don't know why you're talking crap about my GoPro, okay? It looks good.
Yeah, sure thing.
That's bad.
GoPro, be a hero!
It's a Hero 5.
Said to everybody right before they die. You're like those wingsuit dudes. Jump off the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Hit a bus.
Hey, you want a banana? Yeah, just casually live out of my car. I don't actually have a house. Oh, God. Oh, God. I wasn't joshing you, pal.
Fucking Curious George. The man in the yellow hat. Just giving me bananas.
Hell yeah. Eat it up. Do it. Now. Dude! Not my freaking box!
Your box? What'd I do to your box? Oh my god. Dude! Not my box!